The MakerBot method and Method X are optimized to work with the support material to make support removal easy and clean. However, if you would like to use a single material for both the model and support, you can use Breakaway supports. In this video, you will learn how to remove Breakaway supports from your MakerBot method or Method X. First, remove your completed print from the build plate of your MakerBot Method X. Once removed from the build plate, examine your print to find pieces of support material you can break off by hand. Since the support is meant to be broken off, you may be able to remove all the support material with just your fingers. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers or a small tool to remove any hard to reach areas. After the supports are removed, you may choose to use a piece of fine grit sandpaper to clean up the edges where the supports touch the model. This may not be necessary. Once you have completed the support removal process, you'll be left with the clean part. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to contact MakerBot support through our support site, support.makerbot.com.